Clean your audio like a pro? No app needed. Tired of background noise ruining your audio? Buzz, hum, hiss? It's frustrating, right? But what if I told you you can remove it all in just seconds without installing any app?
Step 1. Go to Adobe Enhance. Open your browser and visit podcast.adobe.com. Enhance. This is Adobe's free AI-powered tool to clean up your audio and make it sound professional. Step 2. Upload your audio. Just drag and drop your recorded audio. It works with MP3, WAV, or M4AE files. Once uploaded, Adobe starts cleaning automatically. Step 3. Let the AI work. Now relax while Adobe Enhance removes the noise, echo, and distortion, and makes your voice crisp, clear, and studio quality. No complex settings. No ads. No ads. Step 4. Listen and download. Once it's done, hit the play button and compare. You'll hear the difference instantly. If you're happy with it, just hit download, and boom, your clean audio is ready.
Best results? Use a mic or earphones while recording. Avoid echoey rooms, and always speak close to the mic. Record in MP3 or WAV format to ensure the AI works perfectly. Stop wasting time with heavy apps and noisy results. Try Adobe Enhance once, and you'll never look back. Link in the description. Like and subscribe for more smart tricks.